Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for honest, in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into the best stainless steel insulated water bottle on the market. The Owala FreeSip 32-ounce in the charming, shy marshmallow color. Let's see what makes this bottle the #1 bestseller in kitchen and dining. First off, the design. The Owala FreeSip doesn't just look sleek with its minimalist pastel tones. It's also brilliantly engineered. This is a 32-ounce insulated stainless steel bottle that combines function and flair. You've got a durable body that feels premium in hand and fits nicely in most cup holders, making it ideal for daily commutes, gym sessions, or long road trips. What really sets the Owala FreeSip apart is its patented spout system. They call it the FreeSip for a reason. With a built-in straw, you can sip upright with ease, but you also have the option to tilt it back and chug straight from the spout opening. It's a game changer, perfect for whatever hydration mode you're in. The push-to-open lid keeps things hygienic by protecting the drinking area, and it comes with a locking mechanism to prevent accidental spills. That lid also doubles as a carrying loop, so whether you're heading to the gym or out on a hike, it's easy to grab and go. And let's talk insulation. The double-wall design keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours. That's an entire day of refreshingly cold water, even in hot weather. The wide mouth opening makes it easy to clean or to load up with ice cubes when you need that extra chill. This bottle is made from high-quality stainless steel and is completely BPA and phthalate-free. The lid is top-rack dishwasher safe, while the bottle itself is recommended for hand washing. It's not designed for hot liquids, so stick to your cold beverages and let this bottle do what it does best: keep them frosty all day long. Whether you're sipping, swigging, or just staying hydrated through a packed schedule, the Owala FreeSip makes hydration simple, stylish, and spill-proof. With its thoughtful design, strong insulation, and versatile spout system, it's no surprise that this bottle has taken the top spot in its category. If you're looking for the ultimate stainless steel insulated water bottle, this is it. The Owala FreeSip in shy marshmallow, practical, stylish, and built for the everyday hustle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert product reviews. Stay hydrated, and we'll see you in the next one.